The Kaleidos Learning Platform has optional assessment modules that provide teachers with tools that really help them manage and monitor the progress of their individual students in the teaching groups and classes that they teach and for the subjects that they're responsible for. Here I'm logged in as a maths teacher. He's looking to check on the progress of his Year 7 students. So he can go to the students, find the particular class he's looking to review. It could be one particular student that he wants to actually check on their progress. So going to Mary's dashboard, he'll see a whole range of information. If he goes to the Targets tab, he can see the targets that she's currently working on, how she's doing. From here, he can change the status of those targets, look at new evidence that perhaps the students added, and make comments reflecting on her progress and helping her to understand what her next step should be. Going to the Progress tab, though, this enables a teacher to take a view as to how they're doing against where they need to be at their next milestone. Not only can they see this for the subjects that they're responsible for, but they can compare that to how they're doing in other subjects. So the table here will show their latest attainment for the various subjects. It will also show where they should be in that particular subject if they're going to reach their next milestone. And it will interpret that to show whether they're ahead of schedule, on track, or perhaps behind where they need to be. Choosing a particular subject, it will show historical attainment so they can see the trend over a period of time. If we click on the graph, this will show the member of staff for the particular subject, where they are against where they need to be. We can change this so we can actually look at this perhaps over a whole key stage. So if we change the dates here, we can actually look at it for Mary over the whole of Key Stage 3. So this will show us milestone information. So her Key Stage 2 SATS result in this particular instance, and where she's aiming to be and needs to be at the end of Key Stage 3. This particular milestone information and these milestone levels have been automatically transferred from data in the school's management information system. This line tracks her current progress. So we clearly see that support is needed if Mary is going to achieve her milestone level. I can do this for an individual. I can also do this for my groups as a whole. If I select my Year 7 group, I can look at their dashboard, see their targets, but I can also manage those attainment levels. So if I choose a particular subject, I can see which students seem to be coping well and are pretty much on schedule, which students perhaps might need challenging a little more, so those that are actually ahead of where we would expect them perhaps to be, and which students might require additional focused support in order to help them achieve their potential. So as a teacher, being able to see this information in one place and compare across different subjects really means I'm in an ideal position to know what support is required, what students need to focus on, and so my support for them can be really relevant and appropriate for that point in time.